there's a bushing and a washer. Okay, the oil level is right at the top of here. It's not going to go in here until we put something to keep it from going up in there. So, put a little lube on the bushing there. There's oil right there. It's in the turd. Just put a little bit of oil in, center that for me. I just want that on. Not the outside, the inside. Okay, slide it on. Okay, where's your washer? Oops. Don't drop in the oil. Washer, like that. All right, do it. Okay, this is where it's going to get a little messy, probably. Grab me the thing there. Okay, where's your seal, driver? Let's go to the top. Don't trust that part. Here, I'll hold the top. I got it. Hold on. Just hold the right rods at baffle. In case it's splice. Okay, go ahead and beat it down. Open notice. Back it a couple times. Oh, put the rag in there. Pull it up. Don't put the rag in there. Okay, go pretty good. Okay, it's in all the way. Hear it? Solid. Work the head off. You didn't lose too much. Barely anything. Okay, hold the bottom here. Pull this up. Okay, seal.
You sure we're all the way down there?
It's all the way down. It's so hard in. You hear it all the way down? Okay, put a little oil in the seal. It's right there. We're good. All right, yep. Move around a little bit to get it on. Okay. Down. Wipe the top for me a little bit. Okay, switch hands. Down.
You got oil trapped in there.
It's a seal. That's what we do. Okay, the beat tool. Push it down. Okay, grab that. Give it a couple whacks till it's bottom. Hold on, get my hand out of the way. Okay. Okay. Don't go too far. You just gotta get down to the snap ring here. Grab your flashlight. Got the snap ring groove, we can get to it yet or not? Gotta go deeper.
No, I don't see a snap ring groove yet.
Not deep enough yet?
I don't believe so.
Okay, so we gotta give it a couple more whacks.
That sounds like it's home.
Okay, hold it up. See the groove in there?
Yep.
Okay. Yep, see a groove. Yeah, I got it. We're good. So you can see a snap ring groove in there. The snap rings are, the new ones are in the back there. They give us new ones. It's nice. Just put on top. So allows you to go from the top. Just squeeze a little bit on this side. Just shove it in with your finger on the back side. Okay, that's screwdriver. Push on it. Just don't screw out the tube. There you go. Here it popped. Looks like it's in there all the way. Looks good. It's in there.
Going with it's set.
It's in there. It's all the way in there. Okay. See the top? Okay. How much do we lose? 10, 15 drops. You're on the floor. The oil level's basically the seal.
We should be able to pump this, right?
You want to try pumping it?
I do.
Okay, so can we go down all the way? I know how you get oil into this because the only hole's in the very top. I'm not sure what we're trying to pump here.
I see.
Are they telling you to pump this thing?
Yep. See, pump it 10 or 15 times.
I don't see how
I
this.
see oil towards the top. No, it's
Yeah, but the oil level's going to come up and the tube goes down. It displaces it. It's now the side of the camera can't see this. When the tube drops all the way in here, it displaces oil, so the oil level comes up. So right now, the oil level I think is about here, right now. But there's no way you can get oil up inside of this until you flip it upside down. And that's not going to do it either because the air will be inside of it. So I'm not sure what they're going to do about pumping. Doesn't make sense to me. It's a sealed system. How do you pump it?
oh, This is set up the way, it's not backwards, this. It says all touring models,
Yeah,
with the exception of Road King, have the cartridge type fork oil on the left side. And that's what we're building right now, right?
No, we're on the right side.
On the right side?
Yeah, we're on the right side. The one that came out. So who says pump it? Harley says pump it or Fox says pump it?
Fox says pump it. I don't know about Harley, I haven't read it all.
I don't know what they're gonna pump. I know they put this thing in here. Flip camera. Use the device all that push up on to get it started. And then we screw it in. Okay. Now tighten it, you put a wrench on the head of the hammer. And tighten it. Right now, as far as I'm concerned, this is a sealed container. And if you want to lay it down and pump it, where the oil gets actually in that hole, and maybe dissipate some air out of it, I can see that doing something. But right now, putting it on the floor and going up and down, unless you get oil up that top hole, I don't see you getting in that tube. That tube is sealed. Assuming they had a seal on the end of that push rod. The push rod didn't have a
Is
seal
that
on it.
sealed, or if we turn this upside down, it pours out? So that other cap is just there to hold it on.
On this one? What are you talking about? Cap.
These.
Yes,
So
that's
these
the
will
roll.
go through. So that, these are on stock stuff. it
Stock
is-
stuff, you
it
put
is a
oil in
seal.
it.
Right.
This one you can't. That's why I had to do the oil like I did. Now, I didn't know you got such a big gap on here when the
We
tube
could
was
just pour
loose.
it down the tube.
You could have probably get it in there a little bit. Whether it's going to be any more messier and we lost a few drops. I think it's about equal because you're probably still going to miss a bunch of it because the funnel won't fit in a little skin hole. It's a real small funnel. So, now if you want to pump this thing up a little bit like this and play around with it a little bit, you can try it like that. I would think it's going to do more doing sideways. Like this. Where's something that's not real weak? Top shelf, I'm guessing. Because at least this way the oil is in the tube. I'm laying the fork horizontal. So air can, like, it's like bleeding the brakes. You gotta let air and oil come out of the system. Does it look like it's any different than what I'm doing? I don't know. It's going about the same distance down a couple inches, isn't it, when I'm doing this?
Yeah.
Just give it a couple pumps, each quarter turn. Do it, what, 2 or 3 times should be enough for you? I don't think this is really doing anything, but I don't know. I'm not inside the damn tube. I couldn't tell you what's going on in there. I just know, like this, at least oil and air can come out of the same hole if it
I
wants
don't
to.
think that's what they're talking about. I think they're talking about cycling oil. It tops off with it.
I just push it up down the floor and it feels like it's got a dampening. It had it right from the first one, a dampening. It feels the same to me right now as when I first did it, like this.
All right.
It's got dampening in it. Okay, either way, I think it's good to go. I don't think we lost more than very little amount of oil. We put extra in it anyway. And we went with a higher number anyway. We didn't go with the cartridge number, we went with a higher number. But this is Harley's cartridge, not their cartridge. So I don't know which side we're going off of. We're using the empty leg. So, okay, we need to get this tight, so I'm going to grab my steel hammer and a wrench on here, crescent wrench. You use my tools if you want. They're right there in the bucket, the crescent. The hammer there too or not, I don't know. The ball peen.
Where's the bucket at?
Bucket's here. Oh, the hammers are over there. I can see one hanging out on that shelf. Should be ball peen.
This is your.
Oh, it's in the bucket. Excuse me, I see the hammer. It's in the bucket. Crescent wrench and the hammer right together down there. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this on here. Actually, let me hold it like this. we'll get more holding power here. We're gonna be tightening this. You wanna hold on this side, that's fine. No, that's you, I was wrong, I'm upside down. You're correct. You were on the right side this time. Okay, hold on, let me, hold two, I can hold the two.
We can hold this in vice with a rabbit.
I don't wanna do that, just hit it. Hold on, hit it again. Go one more just for the hell of it. Okay, you happy with that? I am.
Okay.
Okay, that's tight now. No special tools needed. Okay, now we need to put the top nut in there.
Can't do that till we slide it in there, right?
Well, you gotta get the top nut. Put a little oil on the rubber. Is that the new one or the old one? That's the same one. It's got new rubber on already. Ready to do it. Now we go over here to assemble it. We have to see what we're gonna do over here. Okay, before we get too far, we gotta figure out, put the camera over here. We gotta figure out what is supposed to be inside the tube. So we got a brake line here we gotta deal with. Pull this and that. Can you hold this for me just for a second? Just wipe your hands off here. Like that.
We also don't want to forget to put our stops on.
I know, that's why they're sitting there. I put those on purpose, right? So that wouldn't happen. I'm trying to remember how we had this.
Yeah, so this screws underneath here, so it's gonna have to be inside this tube, right?
I'm trying to remember where all these lines were.
100% this goes on the inside, and those are just...
And this is bent to go around the tube. So I just think everything like this just goes in the tube and we should be all right.
I believe so.
Okay, all right, so I'm good with that. Okay, let me get the first line here. Okay, give me the rubber. Fork stop. Slide it in there a little bit. All right. Now back in the day, you're supposed to keep this off the pinch bolt, and these days it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay. I went off a little tight because we've got this tightened up, remember? This one's not going. That one doesn't go in. Okay.
I got it.
I gotta get up in here.
Yeah.
We tighten this top now without everything in there, so I gotta do this. I got this grabbed across it.
Got it.
It's gonna fall on my feet, so it's gonna hurt the most. Get on my way, so don't snail it. So I'm gonna undo this top nut here, loosen it up. The tree will be able to self-center and the tube will slide right in where it's supposed to be. That time I thought I did. No, I just gotta go right the leverage on it. Oop, there it goes. Okay, should be a little free now. Wiggle, rotate, wiggle at the same time. There we go. Something like going in, doesn't it?
This is their top nut, so it might be.
Oh, this is
slightly
not the
different.
Harley one that came out. Okay, let me, hold on, let me get this other one in here. The center.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not the one that came out. Yeah, that's right. That is theirs. There might be a little bit of difference there. Hopefully not, but things happen. Let's get this up into the center.
Like that.
Okay, you want me to wiggle on that? You want to handle that one?
Yeah, something to do with that.
Yeah, it's not happy about going on there at all, is it? Okay, hold on, let me, hold on, let me get that in the nut. Way too much effort for an easy job. This kind of crap you expect on old bikes where everything's screwed up. Okay, I can't fall there. Okay, let me jiggle this around here, because this matters a lot up here. All right. Start off now. Just pull the tube out. Go ahead and pull the whole tube out. Let's find out if there's a problem with the diameter of that thing. Don't go too far with that. Okay. Okay, get your tube. Let's see if it fits in the hole. No,
It does not.
that's a problem. Okay, more shit we gotta deal with. Okay, let's go ahead and pull that down. Let's take a look at it. Get your caliper out. Let's measure it. New problems.